Exposing the secrets of volcanoes, sheep and Mother Earth. You won't believe #3. Welcome to the wild world of Earth's wonders. Picture this. A volcanic eruption underwater can form a whole new island. That's how Hawaii was born now. Now let's talk sheep. These woolly wonders not only give us cozy sweaters, but are also used to graze and maintain landscapes. Fun fact, there are more sheep than people in New Zealand. And speaking of landscapes, did you know that plants can communicate? They release chemicals to warn each other of dangers like hungry insects. Nature is amazing, right? Keep exploring and stay curious.